Windows can shuffle wallpapers you already have saved, but it won't automatically grab fresh images from an RSS feed. If you want your desktop to update itself with new photos from places like NASA, photography blogs, or other image feeds, John's Background Switcher is the easiest fix. First, download the latest John's Background Switcher installer from the JBS download page. Run the installer, follow the setup wizard, and on the final screen, check the box to launch JBS right away after installation. If the main settings window doesn't pop up automatically, look down near the clock in the Windows notification area. Find the JBS icon, right-click it, and choose Settings to open the settings window again. In the main John's Background Switcher window, click the Add button. This is where you tell JBS what source it should use for your wallpaper images. From the list of source types, choose RSS photo feed. That tells JBS you want it to watch an RSS feed and pull wallpaper images from there automatically. Now paste your image-based RSS feed URL into the RSS photo feed field. Make sure you're using the direct feed link, often something that ends in feed or .rss, instead of just pasting the website's homepage. Click Test so JBS can check the feed and confirm it can find images there. If the test works, you're good to continue. If it fails, go back and make sure the URL is a real RSS feed that includes image links. Click OK to save the RSS feed. Then click OK again in the main JBS window to close it. At that point, JBS will start pulling images from the feed and rotating your wallpaper automatically, and you can add more feeds later if you want a bigger mix. To control how often the wallpaper changes, go to Switching Options and set Change anywhere from every minute up to every 7 days. Use Picture Mode to choose layouts like Fill, Fit, Stretch, Thumbnail, Mosaic, Collage, Polaroid Pile, Postcard Pile, or Randomize, and use multiple monitors to decide whether every screen gets the same image or different images. You can also click More for extra options, like starting with Windows, showing picture information, keyboard shortcuts, remote desktop behavior, background effects, and no draw zones. Once that's set, your Windows wallpaper can keep refreshing itself from the feeds you picked without you having to download images manually. For more practical Windows tips like this, like the video and subscribe to Online Tech Tips.